Hi guys, in this tutorial we will learn MySQL procedure. A procedure can return one or more than one value through parameters or may not return at all. The procedure can be used in SQL queries. Here you can see syntax of the MySQL procedure. Create procedure, procedure name, then parameter, data type, begin. Here you can use declaration, you can give declaration section as well as executable section, then end. Now we are going to create MySQL procedure into database. Open your MySQL command line client. You can use any database, and from that database you can use any one of the table. Here I am using table 1. We are going to fetch the record from table 1. In table 1 I have already inserted only 2 records. Now we are going to create procedure. For that use delimiter, then use any symbol. Here I am using dollar. Create procedure, procedure name. You can use any procedure name. Here I am using get student. Then begin. Here we have to use query. That means we are fetching records from the particular table. Select star from table 1. Then we are ending the procedure by using end. Then use this symbol. Now we call the procedure by using call, then procedure name. Here we give the procedure name as get student. That's why here call procedure name get student. Here we does not specified any parameter. That's why here we just remains this bracket as a empty. Then again this symbol. This procedure is already. Here you can see we got this output. Now we are going to create next procedure. This procedure contains some parameter. Again use create procedure. Procedure name. Here you have to use different procedure name. Here we specified the parameter. It's depend on you. You can use any parameter. Here I am giving parameter ID and int its data type. Then same again begin. Then perform the query. Select star from table name. By specifying the condition where here we are matching the ID. id equal to this id1. Again end symbol. Here you can see query is okay. Now we are calling this get student one procedure and passing one parameter by using call procedure name in bracket. We are passing one parameter. Here see, I am passing parameter, that means id as a 1, and we got records which contains id as 1. Now I am passing parameter 2. Here we got record which contains id 2, because we know in table 1 there are only 2 records which contains id 1 and 2. Now here we pass id as a 5. We got empty record. Here see, empty set, because in table 1 there are only 2 records and which contains id 1 as well as 2. If a user want to drop a procedure, uh, that time use syntax drop procedure name. Here we are going to drop procedure get student 1. For that use drop procedure and procedure name. Then procedure name. Here procedure name is get student 1. Here see, query is okay, that means this procedure is drop. Again if we want to drop procedure uh, get student, then again use drop procedure, then procedure name, and then symbol. Here see, query is okay, that means procedure get student 1 as well as get student, are both procedures are dropped. Thank you guys.